Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a red Tommy Suzuki Carry Chinese noodle vendor. So red Tommy up here, number 45, Tomica for the top, 45 again, and some facts about Tomica. For the back, another $2.90 car, 1999. So let's take a look at the car itself. We'll just ignore a bit of chrome loss down there, but silver 5 studded chrome wheels. Well, the studs on this one do look a bit small because, do I have another? All I have here is a Triton, which has 4 studs, and because, you know, there's less studs, the studs are bigger, but this one, the studs are supposed to be actually a tiny bit bigger. So anyway, let's get into the main review. So, starting off with the front, we have a plastic front bumper, which connects to the base, as you can see over here, and a chrome front lights as well as your front grille. It says Suzuki, which is molded into the casting right there, and a transparent windscreen. Also, the front of the cab is not exactly white, it's a bit of cream. Like, as you can see on the picture, it's not exactly white as well. So this isn't discoloring, but it's actual color. So inside we have a red interior for the cab over there. And for the side, oh, this is my neighbor's car anyway. For the side we do have some details. No idea what these are supposed to be. I think this one's a little step and your wheel arch. Same for the other side. So anyway, for the, well, shop part of the truck, we can see that we have a little sign here, or a little lantern that kind of spins around. I guess you could get it to spin 360 if you moved it hard enough. Another sign up here, I think is the name of the stall. I mean, in Japan, they have the stalls like this, and the name is up here. So Japanese once again. So this roof light thing is made of plastic, but the texture makes it look like wood. So yeah, very nicely done, because you can kind of looks like wood. So yeah, I mean, if not for this one little plastic thing up here, then yeah, it could probably pass off as wood. So anyway, for the inside of the back, oh, we have a little, so we have 4 supporters down here, and inside we have a gray portion with a couple utensils, sauces, and a whole lot of steaming trays. Also over here we have 2 dishes molded into the wooden-like plastic. For the base, it's the Suzuki Carry base, so made in China, Suzuki Carry, number 31, because I guess the normal Suzuki Carry is number 31, and ooh, Tommy is written all the way down here. Well, I mean, if they have Tomica, they don't really put Tommy, so it's kind of cool, because let's say on the newer car, they have Tomica right here, but no, you know, other word of Tommy. Yeah, that's pretty neat for this casting, sorry, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.